Fawick Room 212, the Instrumentation Laboratory, typically hosts ECE 112 projects and prototyping, as well as ECE 481 Instrumentation Lab. This room has 9 stations, each of which can seat 2 students. Each station has a computer, as well as standard tools found in electrical engineering labs. More specifically, each station has a prototyping board, a multimeter, and an oscilloscope. The multimeters were purchased within the past year. These multimeters can measure capacitance and temperature, unlike the ones they replaced. These global Specialties PB503 prototyping boards include power supplies, simple function generators, switches, buttons, and potentiometers. Additionally, each station has an Agilent Discovery 2. When paired with a computer running the Waveforms software, this device can act as a multimeter, oscilloscope, function generator, and logic analyzer. Each station also typically has a soldering iron. The cabinets in the Instrumentation Laboratory hold tools and electrical components that are free for students to use for senior design projects, projects for their Instrumentation Lab class, and other course projects. More specifically, this lab has basic tools like rulers and screwdrivers. The lab contains computer hardware, including spare keyboards and headphones. The Raspberry Pis used for the systems programming class are currently stored in the cabinets as well. Additionally, the room contains cabinets with components useful to electrical engineers. There are drawers filled with resistors, capacitors, transistors, LEDs, and other discrete components. There are also drawers of op-amps, voltage regulators, and other integrated circuit components. The room also has some spare power supplies, a few balances, a few Arduinos, and other useful tools. We hope to see you on campus soon to tour our Instrumentation Lab in person. Click on these video tours of some of our other labs in the Electrical Engineering Department.